Hey folks, Creedmoor Fury here. We're getting this crazy hurricane here in Piedmont, North Carolina, so I figured I'd take the time to shoot a little video and talk a little bit about these zucchinis. So I got a lot of great advice from everybody on the page, and I'm really thankful for it. We've already started doing some of what y'all suggested, making pretty much everything delicious that was suggested. And still, I find it so difficult to get to these zucchinis before they get big like this. It seems like they look like the cucumbers in the morning, and then by the afternoon, they look like the zucchini. So I figured out what to do with them. It's the best thing, and y'all can correct me if I'm wrong or tell me I'm crazy. Say, Creedmoor, you done lost your mind. You really, you need to have your head examined. But I won't argue with that. So, what is the best thing to do with them? I share them. We have so many, and I have so much stuff that's been preserved. I'm going to show you at the end of the video that one of the really cool things that my gal is doing, gosh, I love her for this, is she's canning zucchini bread. She makes it some kind of voodoo way in the kitchen with the freshest zucchinis, and it is absolutely delicious. I'm not really sure about the specifics about how she does it. She's in some canning groups, and she's a phenomenal cook. But she puts it in there, and then it goes in the oven. We have a couple of baker's ovens up at the house, and I don't know, it cooks inside there, and then it seals itself. So we made some of these, or I got to give her credit for it because I just grew the zucchini. She made the food. So she did this a couple of weeks ago when I was asking for suggestions. We made a lot of zucchini boats. We made lots of zucchini fries. We just it's what we do. We love it. But she made these, and we put them away in our storage area downstairs. And I just got a hankering for one last night, so I said, hey, it would be kind of cool to see what that zucchini bread tastes like. And my only regret is that you can see a picture of it on the video, but you can't taste it. So, thank you all in Eden Land for giving me the advice. I love it. I can't get enough of it. And inside this picture here, you'll see my next generation garlic seed there. That was growing on a stipe, and I let it develop all the way. It'll dry out a little bit, and I'll break it apart, and it's going to get planted late summer, early fall, and we'll see what we get. I've got a few protected zones that I can grow them in, and I think that we'll get another generation. What do y'all do about those things? You eat them, don't you? Cut them off and throw them in the trash? See that one right there? That is the fourth of its kind. I just keep growing them over again, and they keep getting better and better and better. I grow 2 garlic crops a year, and I'm so glad that I do because I've learned a tremendous amount about them. I also grow a lot of these, picking them every day. My thumb is Basque, so you can see it's at least as thick as a pencil. This is how they come out. We can them too. Anyway, if y'all are struggling to get your gardens to go, stick with it. I promise. If you stick with it long enough, you keep making the right moves, everything's going to come to fruition. It just takes time. A little bit of effort and a lot of patience. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm trying to keep this kind of short for y'all.